having a business is not for the faint-hearted yun.
Yes.
Daghan na
Because of that reason.
Because of that reason, na marag, ako ano yung tanan problema, ako yung musulbad yung tanan. So that's the reason why I said na among ma-share ano na community is the value of the community itself.
Community itself, yes. For me, I would be confident na maka-rise up ko balik, maka-sugakod ko balik because of these people now who could potentially help me as well. Muna, that's the power of community na I want to put na murag, you know, if na usang mulubog,
tabangan yun.
Tabangan ba?
Tabangan yun siya. Welcome to the Big Picture Philippines.
Yes.
Alright.
For those who don't know me, my name is Dave.
And this is Mike.
Yes, Mike. Si Mike, wala.
Medyo
taon na name mo ang wala katingog, bro, no?
Lagi. But amazing lang ba? Kaya ganala ko mo share po sa itong viewers, no, na bago lang good na recover ni Gamay. Actually, nalay Gamay improvement akong voice. But katog yung ato ang last session.
Yes.
The other Saturday. Na seminar na to. Wadyo ko itingog. Actually. To the point na nag-microphone na lang dyan ko. Wadyo ko itingog. But happy kay ko sa yung outcome.
Yes. Kani akong na-amaze na to, bro. And by the way, this is welcome to this new episode, no? And here, we're just gonna talk about the power of community, I guess. Kaning tinabangay ba?
Yes.
In this episode. But going back to that, Mike, no? Na katong event ba? Wa siya tingog. Like, pagaw good. Pero you taught this session sa imong sales, no? Which is your expertise. And amazed ko ato, bro, ba? Kaya na ay usak attendee, no? Nag-i-apply nila.
The next day.
The next day,
kaya na ako na siya client ko, no, na i-close down na deal.
And one technique na yung gi-apply dito. Di na nato i-mention here. But yeah, it's basically one part of technique of sales, no? But pwede din na to i-mention gamay. It's
pwede.
Called, sama na siya ito na, bro.
Siguro mas better siya kung mo join sa sila.
Hindi, snippet lang. Sama na siya, bro. Sama na gitulo ni. Unsa yung gi-apply niya. It's called Jones Theory, no?
Sakto.
So, snippet lang para may ganyo sa sila.
It's more of kung unsa gikuha ni Juan, mo pikuha ni Pedro. But actually, when it comes to the Jones Theory, people want to, good. Ano yun siya? To give you an insight lang, people want to buy but they don't want to be sold to.
Yes.
So meaning, kailangan na mura bitawg kanang social proof na nakapalit na siya na person para mupalit ko ani. So na-influence through that. And mo bitaw na if mag-online buying tanaw kita sa reviews, so legit ba ni everything. So with that in my mo nang gigamit one of the
attendees na to.
One of the attendees na to.
Amazing, no?
And mo to akong i-mention po during the talk that this is one of the powerful na techniques na magamit ninyo in your sales pitch, good.
Yes.
And muna, you practice your sales pitch para mabutangan yung mga strategies para mo effective imong kan. And mo to akong tip gihatag niya na go back to your gi-apply niya and
amazing, no?
Ni chat din siya nato, which is I'm so glad na close deal niya. So imagine that, no? Nindot kayo.
Grabe. I mean, kanina itong ginabuhat, bro, ba? I mean, for us, no, kay if you don't know, we're business people, no? So ikaw, Mike, you handle daghan kay branches. Ako kay nasa ko yung mga different business ideas and different business na we're running. We do this for fun, but also for primarily, no, for me personally, kay to give back aning kay ganahan ko ani ng mga the results of this ba. Kay you know, for me, I'm so blessed na
and it's really kay sa atong kasing-kasing bitaw. Like how we felt it after ani na nakatag jud tag impact.
Exactly, yeah. And kato resulta gito. That would give them money, you know, an income.
Yeah, of course.
Or maybe this would be just the beginning of it. Daghan na siya makuha ng client just by learning that skill, no? We're not overselling what we're doing.
Don't worry, wako na ngayo commission barato. But at least nakatabang bitaw.
Yeah.
And that's something that what we wanted to do in the long run.
And that's, I think, the concept of the big picture and our community here sa Kaizen, no, na bang kuan ba? Na if there's a world gani na the business people kay ako, and I think you mentioned earlier, said na kanang you feel lonely gani.
Yeah. As an entrepreneur, bitaw mo wabit na kay classmate gyud mo ani, na kuyog gyud mo sa journey. Unless kung kuyog nimo like imong partner ba gyud in life ana kamo gyud throughout the journey. But if ikaw bitaw ang entrepreneur, ikaw mo business owner ana na certain brand or shop or unsa restaurant ba na siya. Ikaw ra gyud tanan, di ba? Wala kay unless if na kay mentors na mo guide nimo, but then again kung
gamay ra kayo mo kuha na, bro.
Oh, gamay ra jud.
Almost all gamay ra kung nailana na mentor.
And muna
locally.
Oh, bitaw tinod. And muna siya, bro, like having a business is not for the faint-hearted yun.
Yes.
Because
of that reason.
Because of that reason, ako ano tanan problema, ako imusod din tanan. So that's the reason why I said na among ma-share na community is the value of the community itself.
Community itself, yes. And in fact, like I don't want to announce anything, Bruno, about your personal business, but like right now, namoy gina-go through na issue right now, no? And it's so hard. Dako siya na problem or maybe, you know, and it's so hard na wala kay kasturya na ba na other business people who could relate.
Yeah.
Kaya if istorya rin ako sa kong parents.
Yeah, di man ma-relate. Di ma-relate. Like,
di sila masay ma-advise ni mo.
Yeah.
Or if maminaw mga sila, mura sa you're talking to a wall na murag, I'm good sila yung solid
mo ba? Mura na ilang matubag. But ang imong gusto na is, yes, ganun ka magawas na siya out of your system para di ka mabuhang ka na. But at the same time, like, someone bito na, okay, mo ni siya yung buhaton na, mo ni ang tua. So, nabit na kay guide yun.
Yes.
Diba?
And, you know, kaning business ba yan kay daga hindi magnegosyo kay tungkol it's all about daga problema sad.
Yeah. And it's all about solving problems. And that's what we are as a business owner.
Exactly.
Diba? We solve problems.
Sa akong talk earlier, no, I talked about financial literacy earlier ba? But with a certain group of people in a company. But akong gi-mention dito kung ganasa mong start og side income, just figure out what are the problems out there. Solving the problems agad siya. So,
but other than that, like
you have to love solving problems.
You have to love solving. Mo nang kilan mo di siguro ni paskwela kita, mo learn tag math kinay problem solving. Para makutog itong utok ba?
Yes, pero bunog yung kay ka.
Bunog jud.
If a previous guest of ours si Ike, no, mentioned the harsh reality of business.
Tinod. And muna nakalindot sa kay tungod grabe po ang iyahang pag-share ato, it becomes an eye-opener bitaw. Na dili day makita kag negosyante na siya dato na siya or kay insect na siya or kay nanay mga stereotypes bitaw, but actually wa mo kay ba unsay giagian na person and grabe na siya og hardships. Gipang overcome, and every single day when you run businesses na dyan ay problem, pero because strong man ta.
Sometimes strong kayo, pero for me, no, if there's just like a group thing or kanang
support system
ba na uy mo na akong problema karon,
unsay
matambag nimo or at least lang gyud kanang credible sa na source kay sila man makarelate man good.
Yes.
Nasa siya if you astonishingly no kanang the more we talk with business people, Mike, no, na the ilang problems pero sa itong problems.
And sometimes para nato ba di na ginin ako makaya, but sila gamay ra na yung problema
nindot na siya actually kay the point there is na some people ato ang pag-handle sa problem ba.
And ang coping mechanism
coping mechanism ba, and in fact if ikaw lang makakope ka bigger problems, bigger sa imong income for me. Okay, the more big problems you solve, the potential of it to earn is really big. So
and people paid for it yun sad.
Yeah. So kaya ilang lessons ilang na solban ilang nagian ba.
Tinod. I agree 100%.
Yeah, pero this is why we're murag kani among vision sa the big picture o kaning community among gina-build, no, about local entrepreneurs kay gikan ni sa analogy na kadungog mo ko ni Mike kaning a rising tide raises all boats ba.
Nindot.
So murag if you're not aware of it, murag kung daghag boat sa usa ka, I have this picture, I might flash it here, but murag boat sa usa ka pantalan.
Okay.
Pero kung low tide, nara sa tanan sa ano.
Mabura po sa tanan.
Pero kung mo rise gay ang tide, tanang boats makahig gyud.
Nindot na siya. So everyone brings everyone up.
Yes. So muna akong nakuha sa community ba na na if there is, and I've been looking for that actually, in Cebu specifically. I know in the US perhaps na ating ini.
Siguro.
Daghan ting ini, mga inanay na grupo. But for in the Cebu, I don't know if you know, by the way, if you know a group na inana na murag magtinabangay as entrepreneurs, not competitors, but really helping each other, grow each other.
Yeah.
I don't know if you have that. Let us know. Okay? Para makaibawasan mi ana. But for me, nindot na siya if we can have that sa in our,
a sense
or
of
that's
community.
what we're trying to build in a sense ba na if we can raise, because Cebu is a growing economy in fact Philippines, no?
Yeah.
Na if we can have that ba na kung makatabang ta each other na musaka tanan,
Why not?
why not? And mo to akong na-interested ba kay sa kanya atong ginabuhat ron, Mike. Although seminar man gid, but we're trying to help, but daghan sa nami sa results ba.
Tinod.
And kanisa na people are eager to learn. They're eager to get to that.
And makita po na to sila how they interact sa ato ang
Yes.
workshops and how they also participated
Yes.
po, which is we're quite happy good
Oh.
sa results na atong nabuhat sa workshop. And it was just an idea, rabi daw. Di ba?
I know,
If you remember lang
Yeah,
na
so,
the first time we
that's
talked, it was just an
right.
idea. Sige, himo tani just for fun lang, just to kanang pay it forward lang siya.
Yes.
But actually, it becomes bitaw na murag aton magnindot lagi ni siya da. Like
Yes.
it becomes our moral obligation na nindot ni siya buhaton is because we inspire, at the same time we build this community to help others, and sila pod mismo they become the beacon pod.
Yeah. And that's what I like to have in ba sa tuang culture ba. Kaning kuan ba na if we can, like what happened to that attendee no na succeed siya. If he can also help someone na we don't know, and ako I always believe ni mention kay kuan ni ba na kita karon maybe abundance ta karon, or na business is doing good, but I don't know in the future.
Tinod.
What about?
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. Mo udit na dira, or even
Right.
something worse.
Yeah.
That could happen ba niya. Wa ko ba aso ko puniton in the next future, in the next few years. No, hopefully dili na may tabo. Pero my point there ba, if may tabo magay na ba, and we are part of this circle na magtinabangay gani. I would be for me, I would be confident na maka-rise up ko balik, maka-sugakod ko balik, because of these people na who could potentially help me as well. Mona, that's the power of community na I want to put na murag, if na usang mulubog,
Tabangan yun.
tabangan ba?
Tabangan yun siya.
So, I don't know, Mike, makaya na nato buhat na may tabo ni nato makabuhat ani na
Sige
na
lang.
community?
I think we can attract people on how we do our things po, on how we present sa and at the same time sa na to pag build ana. We don't know unsagi dapat na step by step formula gina no, but actually it's more on showing results at first, which is karon na na stage, and we kind of ganahan ta na mugo ta na direction in a way na maka-invite ta og mga business owners po na they feel lonely, they feel na makuan sila, and this is something bitaw na makatabang nila in a way, then why not na to mabuhat.
Yeah, and also another point there is katong akong idea ba na like the ganam gitang more money, no? Of course, business is all about money. And I believe that your net worth is your network. Or somehow along that line na if the quality of your kuan daw, I learned this somewhere, I said, na if okay imong network, makaahig ka. Mada ka ba? So if you're surrounded with millionaires or billionaires even, na tingin na ni-exist ron, no? I wish we could get elbows with billionaires. But the point there is if you're that fifth person, or ikaw apil ka sa 5 ka grupo, ikaw ika-6, you will eventually
Makahig
be
ka.
Makahig ka.
Tinawag yun na siya.
Usasa na sa akong kuan kay akong gi-visualize ba kay I'm getting into real estate, no? And kung ano ko ba, like kung saan ka na ko pagbuhat ako ang own hotel or apartment complex na daghan kayo na dream apartment complex ako ba? Need you kog mga investor or need you kog dako na kwarta?
Yes.
But what if we have this community na, it's a big vision, wild imagination lang ako ba? Now what if naatay nani na community ba na who sugod sa kuan ni Lambo and willing to invest sad, and maybe we can help each other like form that business or investment na mapurma na siya.
Yeah, pwede siya.
It gets easier. What I say is,
right.
Kung naataan ni na circle. So
if you're inner or kanisya na grupo, probably you become business partners with them.
Yes.
Diba? So daghan siya possible na
Nindot, no?
na kuan
if you just put them all in one group ba. So
but it is not like to kuan lang na ganun lang ka mo use up ani na network nimo, but
course,
and then again unsa pa yung value ino mahatag, like do we have that grit ba, or do we have that perseverance ba to work hard as of to make sure na maka-provide sa kita sa ato apong kakayahan nato, di ba? So dili pod pwede na sige magsalig lang ta nila na networks, but then again the community itself is dili siya ingon na usari mo contribute, but everyone is
contributing. Murag everyone's rooting for you, but you also have to root for yourself. Kana bang tabangan nimo kog lingon mo, tabang ta ninyo, but at the same time if you succeed ba, I think ako kung mo succeed sila or mag-succeed ka, nakatabang ka sa uban.
Yeah. I always believe that, Brian, if I may share, ing ana pod ang philosophy akong ginagamit sa ako ang business at the moment. So, because salesman ko, so na-adjure ko yung mga tao on commission.
Yes.
So, when it comes to that, di ba, if commission-based sila, they are based on performance.
Yes.
So, with that in mind, ang akong philosophy ani is if ikaw mismo you work your thing, like ikaw mismo na nanguha ka, that will not only help you but also helping the communities, I mean the company.
The company, of course.
So if everyone flourishes, I mean if someone flourishes from his own doing, then it will flourish pud sa the whole organization. So yan na ang philosophy gamit na ko sa.
Very powerful, no? Murag they said so just to put it out there. This is not for everyone in a sense.
Tinod.
If you're someone kanang because we're opening this community very soon na we're building this group ba. But if you're someone na kanang you don't really want to murag succeed gani. Kanang problema. Dili ka ganahan mo help sa imong kagalingon. Lisod yung kaya na. Wala kayo makatabang ni mo lain. External factors na makatabang ni mo. If ikaw mismo, di ka katabang sa imong kagalingon.
And I think it goes back po sa imong topic sa atong seminar po, Dave, about confidence, diba?
Yes.
If di ka confident sa imong self, how could someone be confident in you po?
Yes.
Diba? So, same ra po na.
Same ra na siya. So, murag, if you're someone na ganahan ka na kanabang mo grow, and also when you grow you help others grow as well by indirectly or directly kung ganahan ka mo tabang, then good, no? This is what we want to build. So interesting kay siya, and I don't know, marag daghan tag mga plans ani na community ba na like what if natay mga charity campaigns as a group. I just visualize it ba. Kaning unsa na itong ginabuhat kay since we're talking to entrepreneurs naman yun, no? And learning their lessons. Hopefully you're watching the episodes, and also if you can join sa datong mga workshop no mas maayo para makaibawasan mo sa atong mga activities here in the podcast or in the whole concept of this training na mo o kaning community na to, mas maayo gid kay this is what we are trying to build. So kanang if you're someone na kanang ganahan ka na I want to be part of a community, kung entrepreneur ka, feeling lonely ka, or you want to give back, which is what we want as well. Kumbaga, we're also looking mentors.
Kumbaga entrepreneurs club.
Yes. CEO clubs. Pero why not, di ba? Why not? And there's a power in there as well na kanang if you put this kaning gitawag lang synergy ba na put mo into one room ni sila.
Yes.
That would dili siya just start ba na bro kanang murag 1 + 1 equals not to 2 ba murag more than that. Kay kung naa na yung mga ideas diri na mampurma, na yung mga collaboration.
Yes, okay. Business matching, everything. Pwede kayo.
Pwede kayo siya.
Possible ka siya.
Amazing. So I think that's one thing that we are really looking forward to, and the power of community.
Yeah.
But going back to that core message thing niya itong the whole community ba. So for me, it's really about if you're going through something difficult, no, and we actually have some news like in the past, recent lang yun na someone who suicide note. This is a very sensitive topic, but I don't know what the problem was. I've heard she was an entrepreneur, but the point there, if you're
a good
going
friend of
through,
mine actually.
if you're going through something, na murag tanaw nyo lisod na gyud, ask help. But I think that's the core of it. Okay, there are group of people who's willing to help. Naagin na siya. And
imposible kayo wala.
We're not just talking about business here. Kana ba kay
life in general.
Life in general, yeah. I mean, if you are going through something, ask help. Ay tabang, ay kauwaw.
Sometimes ang ego, sometimes atong pride, mo na siya mga hindrance gid.
Yes.
And muna as entrepreneurs as we are, like kay bawo naman ko ana, like nabitataan ang notion bito na kay bawo naman ko ani nagnegosyo ko, I've been doing this for pila na ka years. So mura bitaw dili empty atong cup, full na gid siya.
Lagi.
So sometimes mo na siya makon, but for me ang ako aging learn ako ang na-learn gid when I started pa and in sales, labi na pa ko sa Australia before, it's the power of asking for help yun, bro, sa ako ang mentor. Like you have to ask that help yun. Like dili pwede na imuha ng sudaron by your own. And kana pod na channel po na nako, bro, with my company at the moment said. So part po na sa akong philosophy, akong practice na mo. Like for example, na ako mga tao, they will always send me stats every 2 hours. So pila ka book cars na, pila ka book sales and everything ana. And then na-judge ko yung mga kanang mga staff na mauwaws na mo sa stats because wa sila'y agi, wa sila'y halin, right? And I understand sales, lahi na siya og kuan, but then again, dira na ko ang test of characters nila. If dili sila mo send og stats and they will not ask for help, how can I help them?
Exactly.
So, ako sa ina na dili na about ang sending of stats, hindi na siya about of para makibaw ko sa halin. Dili na siya na. I'm telling them the purpose of you sending this is para makibaw ko not only the performance or if you needed help.
Yes.
Because I can always give you tips. I can give you sige, wala taekwondo then let's give them let's give them a free car wash there para na lang tayo gibot para maka-attract Jones theory.
Yeah. Pero
diba?
pindot kayo siya, bro. Okay? Sometimes ba, kanara good. We just ask for help.
Ask for help, yeah.
And in fact, one of the core systems or sakit sa mga negosyo kay ako tanan. Ako buhat ani.
Ako'y boss,
ako'y pinakamaayong buhat ani.
Oh, yeah.
And in fact, for you to scale or for you to grow a business, leverage ba? The simple fact is just the core of it is asking for help. Ngay kung tabang, di ko na kaya, di ako'y pinaka-bright, di ako'y pinaka-maayo.
Kasi yung pinaka-best person to talk to.
So ask for help. So, and importante, murag mo na ang core gid sa community, no? Kanang murag naatay lugar ba na maka-ask tag help. And I think whatever that is, you call it mentorship or what, pero if there's, for me personally, I needed that, na ako'y pangutan-an gid ba na kaya ako I don't know everything no. In fact I always maintain na I'm the dumbest in the room. Mo gina akong philosophy sad na murag well di mo ko bugo pero ang point is na ko something na wako kay bawo.
Yeah, dili na to i-assume na kay bawo tanan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kung kay bawo na ko tanan, bilyonaryo na ko.
Tug na kanito. Dili na magawan, di ba?
Kaya again, we don't ask for help, no?
Yeah.
So but also ang other side of the coin sa na bro. Kay if we can said and if you're in that situation ba na sometimes wag kanisang sakit sa Pinoy no or anyone in fact nang mo tanan na to mo tanaw ta na I'm not the right person for that or di ko kamawa na or bisag naagog ka good.
Okay.
I don't know what's the reason behind it.
It's like mo share lang kay basig makuha nilang $1 million idea.
Pero like if we can have that sad ba na area ba na magtinabangay kita kay for me abundance ba.
Tinawag bitaw.
There's enough to go around. Marang inana ka ang concept na like, and if only, nindot kayang feeling na if ikaw na hinangin ko tabang, hinagi sa'yo mo tabang.
Mogit.
So the other side is, like if you're in that position to help sa Diyan.
Mogit. Di sa di mo i-hoard lang di mo yung information. And that's what we're doing, di ba? We're not hoarding information. We are actually sharing our expertise, di ba? And that's what we want. And muna siya mong dapat atong kung mag-build man ganito community na yan start from us unsa ato yung main intention.
Yes.
Then muna siya it will rub to the other people pod around us.
Yeah.
Di ba? So dapat sila pod siguro ato i-qualify
No, we will have that culture again. We'll build that. But because we're in our tagline sa The Big Picture, ato naman nang giilisan actually, bro, na we're just we're helping others see also how can we be the next level na entrepreneurs in the Philippines ba? We're building those murag nindot na culture of CEOs ba na I don't know bro kaning ganahan ako. In fact ako ganahan ko manghatag pero ganahan ko bang if not a group of CEOs or entrepreneurs na at the end of the year mag charity works.
Yeah.
Imagine that, no?
That's
it's amazing, di ba? Like nindot siya na culture ba? Na magkuanta na mahibong na grupo na magtinabangay, manghatag sad. And I don't know, maybe makatabang tanan. And going back to the concept na musaka tanan, kung musaka ang usa, saka ang usa, dato tanan,
daog, yeah. It's a win-win.
Yes, win-win.
Sakto ginasiya na philosophy bitaw nato pong i-follow because we're not bringing everyone down, we are bringing everyone up actually. And at the same time bitaw ang effect ana ang unsay
ganahan bro katong legacy mo gingon.
The legacy siguro but that's later on na siya nakon but ang feeling right now na maka-provide ka ana like lahi ra jud siya bro. Di ba if genuine jud ka ni tabang na person the feeling is lahi like happy kay ka you are someone yes thank you kayo nay mo ana mo ba thank you kayo na nakatabang ka na ko ani na close din ako na deal because of you lahi ra gyud kayo ang although bisag wala pa tay monetary na exchange but the fact na buhat na siya that's something na kuan nimo natag na value.
I mean at the end of the day ba we're all passing through this life good kay isa ra good. And kwarta is just one aspect of it. Money is just one. Business, in fact, is just one aspect of it. At the end of the day, we're human beings na going through this life once. No?
Mogid.
Matiguang rata, mamatay rata. Pero yeah, if ever you get to be blessed, or if you learn or whatever, you join our seminars, or ikaw mismo na negosyante, nagtanaw ka ron, and ni-succeed ka, I mean, and you have enough for yourself and for your family. I mean, what's up my next, di ba? Your purpose is to really help other people. Right? In a sense ba na not gina siya na murag, I think that's there's a point, I don't know, wapam sa kung abot na point, Bruno, na ang money ba, makasatisfy rin mo at a certain point ra. Kay the rest, makakaon ka, gamay ra magig kag need, no? Korta actually.
Yeah, tinod. Makontento naman dyan ka. Makontento naman ka.
Pero we always ask for better things, better cars, better clothes, better whatever to show off. Why, diba? So sometimes we have to acknowledge that ba na there's sometimes naragi certain amount of money na depende sa ka. And if you want to give back or if you want to teach others as well, you can do it as well. Okay, potential. Maybe you're given that blessing so that you can share in a sense. No?
Yeah.
I'm not saying giving money out there, but trying to teach others as well. So actually, mo sa na akong ganahan mabuhat sa itong community ba na if na yung mga mentors na makuha, na ka na bang you're doing really well ba? Ilom-ilom na ka. Negosyante ka na. Be part of our podcast. Join us. Share your story. We never know who you can help yun. And lambo tanan, lambo isa, lambo tanan ba? Ba?
Good. Yeah. Nindot na siya sa and ni-mention ka ganina na if ikaw mismo mo imuhang una is kwarta lang and kana siya digid siya mo kuan why fulfillment yes so ni-mention ka na yes na nakaning material things na nakaani tanan what more man do you ask for di ba na but then again pila raman ang lifespan na mag-inganyo ka na material things okay na koy bag-o na things
kana again bro
but until when raman nakutob ang imong excitement di ba after pila ka give it 6 months napulaan na ka
exactly
di ba
mas unsa pa na no
basta unsa pa na siya dira that's the thing and but on the fulfillment of someone na naka-help ka niya, nakapa-change kag lives niya, nakahatag kag impact, bisan pag nakapa-smile lang ka na niya na person.
Yes.
Kay grabe kay siya ka kuan ana iyang emotions but ikay may nakapa-change niya. Then kana may sakto na fulfillment para nako lang.
Yeah. Nindot siya no kay I think we're maturing na as a
siguro.
Siguro pero the point there is ba kanang I think dara gyud padong no kana bang kanang kay kana libre ra di na nimo siya makalimtan ba kay kaning atong mga sakyanan whatever mga butang mga relo no pero after that kay kaning ma-help na to maybe 70 years old na ko bro makinundom gyapon tayo tada
siguro
we can recall it ba
lagi
na o kani siya nakatabang ko ani niya naka-change ko ani na life so.
Or maybe sila mismo ang mo reach out nimo na I remember this guy. Mo ni siya naghatag og seminar na mo paglas. Di ba? Something nga na.
And ako i-add na bro. I think we can wrap this up with this topics. Ano?
Okay.
Kaning gitawag nilang white light. This is a concept that I learned from a seminar that I attended called LEAP. No? This is a very good seminar. But kaning siyang, if you want luck da ba? Murag swerte ba? Murag energy ra kuno itanan. I mean, I don't know if you believe in this. But white light ba? Kung if someone thinks good about you, mabless ka.
Oh ba?
Mura siyang prayer ba? If you pray, I can ask for prayer for everyone. Mura na gani. If na kay tabangunon or na kay need. If people are praying, mura ang energy mo flow sa imo ha. Mura ka ba succeed? This is like mura kuan na kay no pero I believe in that. I believe in that na mura kung kani man god palitan manikas ka. Tikasan nimo ning usa ka tawo.
Yep.
Mabwisit ka.
Yep.
Or mabwisit siya nimo. Magsige na siya kunauna nimo bwisit to siya.
Oh, yeah. I-curse ka.
Of course, yeah. The energy is very negative.
Oh, yes.
Mona, I don't know if that's di man gyud kay kung kuan pero like karma or whatever it is. It could turn into a sickness. It could turn a dimalas in your life, di ba?
Yep.
But if you help others and there's someone unknowingly natabangan nimo no, and that person will always think good about you. Kato siya nindot to siya na tao. Buutan to siya. Or makuan to siya. May tag ma-bless siya. And I think, that's like someone praying for you.
Yes.
Or someone giving you white light is what they call it. Na murag energy ba good. So murag, even if, I don't know, ako karon I always believe in that. Nindot kayo akong feeling ba na murag, if makatabang lang ko sa, then maglakaw ako sa daan, I feel good. And maybe because someone was thinking good about me.
Yep.
And sometimes, if na ko yun do wrong, and I know we're not perfect.
Yeah, of course.
Natin na isa ang tingko isa sa kaagtingog or natin deals baron that we what I can understand na murag na and I try to kuan sad gyud kanang close the loop sad ba na murag ako sang mga isog forgiveness or what kaya I don't want him to curse me
mo lagi because you believe that concept diba
that concept pero I think that's really true sad gyud kay murag maapektuhan na siya, mugawas na siya sa imong finance, mugawas na sa imong family.
Yeah, daghan og aspects
na. I don't know, tuto ka na bro, but it's really...
I believe in karma again. Yeah, so mo nang, if you do good karma will come to you, said. So mo nang, as much as possible, di jud ka dapat mo tapak og tao. I always, bisa pag, I would not, kanang akong i-label myself na, religyoso jog ko, mukuan ko. But yes, I believe in God. I believe there's a spiritual na omni-God. But ang ako lang point lang is, di ko unahan magpakita ng ana. But ang ako lang belief is, as long as I'm doing good to someone, then it will just come back to me. But without expectations.
Yes,
without expectations. So, as long as di lang ko makatapak ko tao, di ko makakuan. And ang ako intentions is sakto lang. Yeah, and obviously ako dili sa ko perfect side. I had mistakes in my life na kuan pod and I tried my best to do the right things. So ako po nang i-collect gikuan para na po yung redemption. So di magina everyone of us na magitay kuan but then again at the end of the day ang ato lang gyud is if we provided that kuan lang na ato abitang mindset is sakto lang gyud maayo lang gyud ato ang intention to everyone and mo na atong buhaton sa atong community po Dave na maayo atong intention
kani bro anang kailangan gyud kana murag namo gyud uban na let's be honest namo gyud mga negosyante na it's really taking advantage of some and we don't want that pod na
we
want to try to be as kana integrity ta ba na
transparent integrity
di sa tamo napag sa atong mga tao I mean if we can or atong partners I mean hindot gyud na siya na kuan kay for me mabalik ra gyud na nimo no kanang murag kay we talk about that earlier ba katong murag there are like katong mga businesses na mo take over sa other businesses and di rasan mo lambo kay murag there's really something there na we want to build that community of business owners. If you're like that na kanang you're really honest to goodness ganahan sa gyud kag mo kuan mo help you start a business, mo help sa other, maka-employ og others. Good imong intention, good imong pamaagi, di ta illegal dire. Yan na ba? So that's the one. I think that's a really good.
Yeah, I think that's a good purpose sa ato. And that's why mo ni siya among direction good with the big picture and as well with Kaizen. We want to build this community in a way na pamaagi na to sakto lang sad.
Yes.
Dili po dingon walay dili ta mo taking advantage of everyone, but ato lang is we help each other.
Yeah, help each other.
That sense of community good.
Yeah, making money, making wealth with everyone bringing up each other, lifting each other, walay gitapakan, walay ginatikasan and yeah, I think that's nindot na siya, no? If we have that,
I think rewarding ka na siya.
If we have that in Cebu or in the Philippines, wow.
I remember, bro, last na lang gini akong comment ha. But I remember one of our participants last nato na seminar or workshop is nakaingon gid siya na the reason why ngano ni appeal siya sa next level nato na kuan because kay baw siya or na feel niya unsa ato ang gina-build and she wants that sense of community.
Yes.
Mo yang gusto and muna I'm very excited and I'm sure ikaw pod.
Actually, wag na sa tong una, bro. Pero now that
coming from them,
I think this is the right time.
Oh yeah, I think we can provide that.
We can do that. Yes.
We can do that good.
So yeah. So I think that hopefully you learn something from this. This is more of like a bigger picture of what entrepreneurship is. Simurag. And also, how what we're building, why we're even doing this kaniyang podcast, no. And to be honest, wala mo kita makita tingani, bro. But we're trying to help each other, no.
Yeah.
That's the
forward,
purpose. Pay it forward. So hopefully mahitabo na siya na world na ate mga group of entrepreneurs magtinabangay. And if you want to be part of that, feel free to connect with us. Or if you're someone who wants to give back na through maybe attending our interviews para mo share sa imong mga knowledge. May uban ra hilom-hilom na no mga sobra ka dato dira and sobra ka good in business people or mawala mo share, but you can sayo na gid may kastorya ni Mike with
dali ra gid mi kastorya. Welcome again mi dire sa Kaizen.
Yes. So and of course, and if you want to start the business or tanaw nimo need ka ani na community or need nimo support, or if you're someone like kato mong gi-discuss kanina need kag help, then yes, watch out for our events, no. Mo na siya mga seminars nato. It's all about helping you or helping the community grow as business owners. So dati upcoming events, no, so watch out on our Facebook page lang.
Sige.
So what else do we need to announce, Mike?
I think that's about it. Like we want to announce pod ng I think napatay one round of session.
So consistent na nato mga events. So expect more of these mga trainings. So if you need to learn more, like unsa may gusto nyo, mga problema nyo with your business or with your personal, growth lang, like sales baron or kanang just having confidence or what, let us know sad para
hiring problems
or building mga business permits, mga we will try to build that. As we mentioned, it's all about giving back. And we also have a group of circle of entrepreneurs na sad, no, na willing to help Prasad. So yes, so that's what's in store for the big picture for Kaizen, the training. Hopefully you'll be part of it. If ni-resonate ni Nemo, then maybe there's something in there that you want to that's calling you. Muna na siya. Ignite that light, no? And be part of this. If you want to help, then help, right? So
right. And if this is something pod na nakahelp nimo in some way, kaniya mo ang kanina episode, if we can ask a favor lang, if you could like and share lang pod. And para basin pa di ay ang imuhang feeds makita po sa uban na nag-need ani.
Yes.
So kanala mo ang
favor. No, because we're not, we're just doing this for giving back to Sad. So hopefully this makes sense. And I'd like to congratulate you, Mike, sa last session. So grabe, no? And we're excited to help more people. We're gonna do more of these, and hopefully may tabo na to mga mastermind na to, mga accountability, may tabo na gina siya soon. So if you want to be part of that, you know where to find us. So please like, subscribe. I think that's about it. This is Dave.
This is Mike.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.